Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a phone manually with the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. Okay, from any screen, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to phone, click on phone. You see there, connection between Bluetooth device in progress. Use the passkey 1212. Hands-free systems come up here. Click on hands-free system. 1212 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. I'm looking for hands-free. Hands-free there's connected. Oh, hang on, it's gone back to knock. There you go. And it's showing on the system. Importing an entire phone book from this phone, I don't want to, but you would. That's it done. That's the manual way. That's the easiest way, in my opinion, especially when you've got a cold, because the voice prompts don't recognize what you're saying. So that's how you do that.